Hey there. You may have heard the reports breaking last night that Yellowknife, the capital city of Northwest Territories, is being evacuated due to wildfire. The entire city emptied.
Heeding the warnings and, for some, orders to leave. Trips out of the fire zones, harrowing for many.
Holy
Videos like this showing the dire situation in parts of the Northwest Territories.
20,000 people have been told to get out no later than noon tomorrow. That's Friday, August 18th.
Honestly, it's kind of scary, I'm gonna put it that way, because I've never experienced something like this before. So it hasn't sunk in yet.
Just think it's gonna be bad. So yeah, we're just kind of getting ourselves prepped, like got a trailer to attach, and we're just gonna try to head down to high level and kind of get the family down to a safe location. And yeah, like really you just kind of got to roll with it.
Landing in Edmonton, Ashley McClellan just happy to get her baby out of the smoke.
Watching the flights sell out and the prices go up, I just kind of got to a point where it was like we should leave.
So this has been Canada's worst wildfire season on record. These fires threatening Yellowknife have been burning for weeks, and they're closing in on the city. When the evacuation order was issued, the fires were less than 17 kilometers from the city edge. And we know fire moves fast, but evacuating Yellowknife is complicated.
People are making the long drive from Yellowknife on the only highway to safety. So the evacuation is happening in stages, with people living in parts of the city with the highest fire risk going first.
Nearby towns are few and far between, especially those that can accommodate an entire capital city. People are being sent to Alberta, to the south, airlifted in some cases, arriving by car in others, with a drive that, by the way, takes at least 12 hours. And those destinations, the evacuation centers, they're filling up.
I had to stay on the phone with an Air Canada agent and managed to get in today instead, which is good because my original flight would have left like after the evacuation order.
Highway 3 is the only main route out of the city. It's still open, and officials are urging people to leave while they still can.
It was car after car after car along the highway. It kind of hit us when we started to see the plumes of smoke from the two main fires that have been creeping towards Yellowknife, and a series of 7 water bombers all in a row just trying to attack. It's emotional for sure.
And those evacuation flights that I mentioned, they start flying today to Calgary for anyone who can't otherwise leave by car for health reasons, for example. Northwest Territories as a whole is under a state of emergency. The town of Enterprise, 400 kilometers south of Yellowknife, 90% of it has been destroyed.
You see Enterprise, which just flattened almost from Gikiza to the Alberta border. Like there's nothing left.
The fire threatening Yellowknife is more than 160,000 hectares. That's the area of a good-sized city, burning and on the move. Territory-wide, so far, more than 2 million hectares have burned. So how do you evacuate a territory on fire? How do you get an entire city to pack up and leave in a dangerous, dynamic situation in one of the most remote parts of the entire country?